Welcome to Life with Wambui Muthaka. I'm excited to have you join me as I tackle a few household chores over the next few days. We're going to do some laundry, we're going to fold clothes and restock my fridge while keeping things creative and fun. Don't forget to like, comment, share and definitely subscribe, so stay tuned and spend a few days with me.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you.
So on day one of my spend the day with me, I did my laundry, as you can see. So I had soaked the clothes overnight. So I started with my whites. This is where I do my laundry, on my kitchen balcony. So I'll wash my clothes, start with the whites, rinse them enough, and let us get it done. And okay, the reason why I encourage soaking before it loosens the dirt, making it easier for me to wash, because I don't have the whole day to do this. So it's on a Monday. Monday is basically like my weekend where I do my laundry, so I didn't have the whole day to do this. So to save on time, I ensure that I had soaked my clothes before. So I ensure I've cleaned my whites before I don't mix them. And light colored clothes like the light blue, anything that doesn't remove color and is bright, I start with them. So let's wash my clothes, have them clean and ensure they're hanged so that they can dry up. So stay tuned to the end. So as you can see, this is a new building, so we haven't really gotten the proper hanging lines. So I hang my clothes on the available hanging lines, but at the time I'm sure they'll just update this and make it more organized. So as you can see, it was on a Monday, so water wajafua, there are no clothes on the hanging lines, so I could just hang depending on how I like, on the corners that I prefer. So of course I ensure I've hung them in a way that they'll be zitapigwa na upepo. So yeah, as I do that, at this point I'm usually in so much thoughts, thinking about what if you are just using clothes and throwing them away. You know, like you just use them and throw them, you don't need to wash them. But then again, that's not possible. So I ensure that I've cleaned all my shoes. I clean all my shoes after I'm done with my laundry, like cleaning my clothes. I clean my shoes, my slippers, my white slippers, my gray slippers. I ensure I've cleaned them effectively and rinse them kabisa. Okay, to ensure that I don't waste water, I just use the same water I had used to wash my clothes. So, and then okay, I usually take so much time with my white slippers because I just like them sparkless, you know. So after I'm done with my shoes, I ensure ziko well rinsed. You know, when a shoe is not well rinsed, is away kuna venye yani. Then I get to clean my buckets, my bathroom dustbin, my toilet dustbin where I put my sanitary ware, and my basins. I ensure that they are clean so that next time I'm using, I'll use something that is, you know, kuna kale kafuraha ukitumia kitu safi, si tunayachiki katu vile, like you leave it better than you found it. So yeah, that's it.
It's a Friday night, turned on all her lights. Ooh, an open window. Hairbrush at her lips, towel hugs her hips. Ooh, she's going out. Slips on her dress, stumbles toward the shower, lives for what feels like an hour, then turns up the song. Just another hopeless, romantic, caffeinated, little dramatic, in an age increasingly manic. She's just on the hunt for some magic. Look at her go. You'd never know that she's just another hopeless, romantic, caffeinated, little dramatic. Texts from all her friends, 'cause she's late again. Ooh, she'd rather stay home, curled up in her bed with a book instead. But ooh, life's outside her front door. Clips up her hair, takes one look in the mirror, and it's never been clearer that this is her song. Just another hopeless, romantic, caffeinated, begging. Ooh, she'd rather stay home, curled up in her bed with a book instead. But ooh, life's outside her front door. Clips up her hair, takes one look in the mirror, and it's never been clearer that this is her song. Just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic in an age increasingly manic. She's just on the hunt for some magic. Look at her go, yeah. You'd never know. She's just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic. You know the drama is
So the next thing, I went to clean my toilet. As you can see, I just removed everything that is inside there. I had put some soap on it, so I just added more and scrubbed it off. So I just scrubbed the, what do you call it, the bowl, the porcelain bowl, to ensure that any stain that may have stuck there. But I used domestos. I'll show you in another video.
do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So
I scrub my toilet, flush it. I think the process of cleaning, I flush it like twice to ensure that I've cleaned effectively. I clean the upper part, the sitting part, you know, hapo juu na clean vizuri with a cloth. Okay, generally it wasn't dirty because I clean it like, is it on a daily basis?
I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart.
So as you can see, my toilet is pure white, and it takes effort. It takes effort to ensure that it is clean all the time. So that's just it, just basic cleaning, nothing, you know, bado haijakuwa stained cause chakapa sana. Then I just clean up juu. I know someone will come and tell me I'm organizers. Yeah, I think I've decided. Soon you'll see what I'm gonna do so that I can get space to organize my extra detergents, you know, those toiletries, my flowers and all. So yeah, that's just it. Then I'll be giving away these flowers. As you can see, come on, umefika up and you're listening, just comment down there, say something, say that you need these flowers. I'll send them to you. I'll give them, I have another like 3. I'll just send them to you for free. You can see I cleaned the floor. I didn't record that. I usually put my brush there, and yeah, you can see vile kuna shine. Then kale ka dustbin kangu na karudisha hapo because at that point it should drip maji. So you can see my bathroom and my mat. Hiyo nilibuy tau hizo za 250 ama ni 200. Yeah, so far so good. So I'm gonna get organized. So I'll take you through that part as usual. If I update something, I'll let you know. So into my bathroom, I wipe Uvoko endo kuna kavumbi. Having come from Diani, it has been a while since I wiped there. So I wipe, then natumia brush ku scrub. As I said, bado nyumba yangu ina ma stains because it's still new. Since ziko ni zile construction. Yeah. So I just scrub juju. Anyway, I'm the only one using that bathroom. Then I let the tap water flow. Iflow tu ioshe vizuri, I scrub effectively. Yeah, so that's it guys with the bathroom cleaning.
Paralyzing every pore, oh, you feel it taking over told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So this is the second day. I got meat delivered from my plug. So meat is very affordable for my plug. It ranges between 350 to 450 depending per kg. For mine, I got it at 420 per kg. So I want us to pack it together. Hi, so this is another day. Leo nimeletewa nyama. Imeletewa hadi kwa gate. Anyway. So I want to pack it. So this is where I keep my. Somebody asked me whether papers are folded. Yeah, I usually fold them just for easy access na pia for them to look pretty. So they packed it. I think this is still true because it's branded to the other clean box. Yeah, they're very okay. So I want us to pack whatever we are packing together. So this is 4 kg. Alafu ni kuku. Nimepakiwa na kitu nimebrandiwa nimesimiki, but of course you know everything. So I want us to package together. Tuone vile itakuwa. So there we go, I've packed it. I want to seal them. So nimeweka tu kuku kidogo kidogo because I'm alone and it's just that I can't take food without meat. Okay, see that I can't, but it's usually not easy for me. So mimi na wale wenye tunaombanga Mungu tu atupatie tu hii pesa ya kununua nyama because it's very 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 hard. The reason I use these ones is because zikiingia kwa fridge it's easy to pack. Like it doesn't take a lot of space. I don't have a very big fridge, so I need to kujua vile nita save space. So acha nizifunge, niziseal up, then tuziweke kwa fridge pamoja so that I can go and do my work, run my errands. Yep. That is the state of my freezers at now. So even zile ice cubes to ensure it will turn into water. Okay, I've washed my hands. So hizi acha nizitoe hapa. Oops. Just collect that. Let me also remove this here. I had cleaned it, so hizo tu ni marks. I had some ice cream in there. So acha tuingize pole. So I'll put chicken on one side, then nyama pande moja. So that I want to access very easy. So we are going to definitely fill up here with some sausages. I'm yet to go for them. I'm near a Farmer's Choice depot, so I'll go. And yeah, I'll stock up and show you. I'll go later after I'm done with my errands to get some vegetables, and also nipitie kwa depot ya Farmers. I get some smokies and maybe sausages so that we can be good to go. So this is in the afternoon. I didn't make to go to the market, but I made it to go to the Farmers depot. I live near one, so easy. I'll arrange them kwa cling film later because they are frozen and I need to rest. So tutazinini kesho. We'll just do the splitting up tomorrow, and if I have the time or within the week. Yeah, so about the prices, nitaweka kwa description box muone ni how much. So later in the second day, zile nguo zenye nilifua, I had unhung them, so I was folding them as usual. I put them depending. Kuna zile naeka kwa organizers, kuna zile naeka kwa wardrobe directly. So join me as I organize my wardrobe. I hope I give you some ideas on how you can organize yours, and I hope you get entertained, you know. And can I say again, I love my bedroom. It usually has perfect lighting. It has a perfect environment. I love existing in such a space. I love this place. So let us get to what activity I'm doing today. So we are going to fold the clothes, tuzipange ndani ya wardrobe and see the outcome. So I hope you get an idea. So watch until nimalize. Yeah, so this was actually in the morning. I was hurrying up so that I can go and run my errands, then nitafute pesa, unajua. Yeah, so I was in a hurry, but I had to do it because sitaki kuja nianze kujiuliza where I'll sleep, you know, and I just don't like a disorganized space. So get an idea or two from what I'm doing.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. 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 I know the feeling, it's traumatizing. I fall apart piece by piece. No superheroes, no silver linings. Just keep on moving to the beat. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So I went to the market after I finished running my errands. I went to the place where I buy things na wholesale. I got all of these. So babe, sijui if I'll take you through because I'm really tired. I just want to organize. Allow me to put the price. I've found something new. Nimekuwa convinced now. But allow me to attach the prices in the description box. But let me mention this one. This one in the supermarket is 450. I bought it for only 100. Imagine a saving 350. I bought one because I have another na in a car for long. Na sikupata flavors nilikuwa nataka. So these are the things I got. Sijabunua vitu mingi. I don't want them to get spoiled. So acha tupange pamoja. So for me, I don't usually wash my vegetables before niweke kwa fridge because inaharibika haraka, so I'll just wash when I'm using it. So mimi naziweka tu hivyo. Ukiosha na maji inaharibika haraka, so I don't usually wash them. Sasa sema mimi ni mchafu. I wash them when I'm using them. Yeah, so I think tutashare nyanya pekee. Then the other one niweke fruits. So on this one nitaweka matunda. Pia these ones I'm not going to wash. I'm just going to place them like that. I don't buy a lot of vegetables. Sometimes that was sipiki. Zikiwa hivyo, put them there. Close the lid. Store them, which is in the fridge. There you go. See, I'm using one hand to shoot and one hand to raise it. It's very risky. So naona ndio matunda. I didn't overstock the drinks, so I still have to buy some yogurt. Yogurt nitapanga huku. Yeah, so okay, these ones I think zinakaa so misplaced, so acha niweke hapo na niweke hapo, then here I put eggs. So acha tuone vile tutafanya hivyo hiyo maneno. So eggs, you can see I have used some. Nimetumia zingine. I restocked kitambo ndivyo sikushoot. So acha mayai kae hapo. So hapa I'll put some more. I'll put my pineapple here. So this is minji. This I'm going to cook very soon. I know they're not supposed to stay there for long. Na hiyo. This fridge is too cold. So let me adjust this. At least 5. Then now mnakumbuka zile sausages zenye tulitengeneza jana. I want us to organize them ndio tuzikate. Yup. So I left them defrosting, so I'll pack. Okay, the reason why I don't buy cling film kusema tu kweli hiyo kitu inanishinanga kutumia unless I look for a tutorial. So let me divide them then tuzipack. Sasa zingine zitakaa tu hivyo. Let us place them there because mboga ndo nakulanga sana. So you can see my fridge. Yes, in enough for one person. You want to weka huku. So yogurts are the ones remaining. Yogurts. Now maybe I don't want to add those ones. I don't want to eat super unhealthy all the time. So now let us pack here. Tuzipack hapo ndani. I'll buy another container but for now acha tunitumie hiyo. I use what I have.